All right, here's a video of 96533 Commodore Point. View of the surroundings. So across the street again, no neighbors, just preserve all the way down to there, and then quite a bit down as well to the left. And then obviously no neighbors here to the right. Super private lot. Coming in, you have a large entryway here, so plenty of options to do. First thing you come to is the main living area here. Kitchen's around the corner. So nice big open space, and then you have dining over there as well. So ceiling fan and light here. It's gonna be your AC closet. This is gonna be your 2-car garage. And then they have washer and dryer hookups out here, as long with the hot water heater. Got nice large islands, double sinks, stainless steel appliances. Take a peek at the pantry here. So decent sized pantry. And then of course dining. So that we continue down the home. Here to the right, it's gonna be your first bedroom. You have a ceiling fan and light here. You have black fixtures along all the doors. You have a walk-in closet here. Second room on the right is going to be the bathroom. You have the same finishings from the kitchen. Right next to that's going to be second bedroom. So pretty much the same size as the prior. And then similar, but this one has some shelving installed in here. Exiting this room, you come down here. This is gonna be your access to your backyard. So again, fully fenced in back here. And then you do have this nice deck. Let me get to this corner. Nice deck. They do have a sunshade installed up here, so that can cover this area. And it looks like they have some sort of shade here that you can pull and have some more privacy maybe from these neighbors here if you're out here sitting. And again, backed up to the preserve, so very peaceful on all sides. And then you do have some stairs down as well. Now coming in from the back door, you have this bedroom here to the right. This is going to be the primary suite. So considerably bigger. You do have the pan ceilings, ceiling fan and light. You have a closet here. It's a decent closet. And then closet here. So his and hers are just a double closet there. Here we have the double sink vanity, large mirror, a large soaking tub, and then you have the shower combo as well. And then toilet in here as well. So heading out of here, again, you're gonna have your 2 spare bedrooms with the bathroom in between. You're gonna have your backyard access here to the left. You have kitchen, dining, and your garage access. And then you have your large living area. Now it takes you all back out to the front.